My friend gave me this mic and said it was shit, so obviously I had to test it out. DJI Mic Mini kit comes with 2 transmitters, not just one. You also get 1 receiver, a compact charging case and extra accessories. Inside there are 2 fluffy widescreen covers, 2 grey and 2 black, USB-C charging cable, a magnet clip and a carrying pouch. 2 ultra tiny transmitters, each weigh 10 grams, so ultra light and clip-able. Windscreen so small but essential for outdoor use. The charging case snapshot magnetically and can recharge both mics and the receiver multiple times, up to 48 hours total. Then I compared a DJI mic to an $8 Temu one. So now I'm testing a Temu mic from like 5 meters away. Now I'm testing a DJI Mic Mini from like 5 meters away. Now I'm testing a Temu mic from like 10 meters away. Now I'm testing a DJI Mic Mini from like 10 meters away. Now I'm testing a Temu mic from like 20 meters away. And now I'm testing a DJI Mic Mini from like 20 meters away. DJI Mic Mini versus Fifine K688. You're hearing one of them right now, and in a moment we'll switch. This is a mic test. I'm speaking at a normal volume, indoors in a quiet room, testing clarity, tone and background noise. This is a mic test. I'm speaking at a normal volume, indoors in a quiet room, testing clarity, tone and background noise. 2 mics in the box are perfect if you're doing interviews, dual person content or want a backup transmitter. Just clip one on yourself or both on 2 people and record easily without settings. No inter-recording. If your device drops signal, you lose the audio. No gain control on the transmitter, no screen on the receiver, so no visual monitoring. Also, only 2 windscreens included. If they get lost, no extras in the box. So, was my friend right? Not really. With 2 transmitters and dual widescreens, the kit is way more usable than he thought. Is it perfect? No, but for creators it's powerful, portable and surprising value. Tell me in the comments, would you mic up 2 people with this or stick to DIY setups? Like if this helped you, subscribe for more honest gear reviews. I bet he'll want it back.